Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here with the next part of your lesson. As you all know, yesterday we did first page of the lesson, and today we are going to start the next paragraph, which is page number 2. And you all need to have your books in front of you, whether in soft form or hard form. I will teach you on my laptop because I have in PDF file. Okay students, let's start with the reading first. And let me tell you one thing, that there are some mistakes, some spelling mistakes in this textbook, because sometimes there are printing mistakes as well. So we have to correct them at the same time. So let's start reading. We believe, however, that some 2000 million years ago, this rare event took place. Now the writer is telling us about some event, some incident that happened a lot of years ago. That another star wandering blindly through space happened to come near the sun. That there was a star which was traveling from here to there, and it just by chance came near the sun. एक सितारा जो अकेला गर्दिश कर रहा था, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था कि कुछ सितारे अकेले गर्दिश करते हैं और कुछ सितारे जो हैं वो ग्रुप्स में, कम्युनिटीज़ में रहना पसंद करते हैं. तो कोई एक अकेला सितारा गर्दिश करता करता सूरज के करीब आ गया. Just as the sun and moon raise tides on the earth, we all know that sun and the moon raise tides in the earth, in the seas. So similarly, the second star, there is a mistake. It's not start, it's star, S-T-A-R, correct it. So the second star must have raised tides on the surface of the sun, but they would be very different from the little tides which the small mass of the moon raises in our oceans. So at first place, the writer gives a comparison that our sun and moon also raise some tides in our seas, but the tides which were caused by the star on the moon, they were way too much higher and too much greater. उनका जो एक मयार था, या जो वो लहरें जो एक सितारे ने सूरज पे पैदा की उसके करीब आने की वजह से, वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग थी. But they would be very different from the little tides which the small mass of the moon raises in our oceans. An immense tidal wave must have traveled over the surface of sun. So as a result, क्या हुआ होगा कि एक बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी लहर सूरज की सतह पे नुमाया हुई होगी, at last forming a mountain so high that we can hardly imagine. So it almost would have taken the shape of a huge mountain on the sun that we cannot even imagine. So that is how our solar system came into existence, that I will explain in the next paragraph. So let's review this paragraph once again. In this paragraph, the writer tells us about that how our planetary system, our Earth, Mars, Jupiter, solar system came into being. So he says that maybe some thousands of years ago, हज़ारों साल पहले, a wandering star came near the surface of the sun, and it might have raised the tides on the surface of the sun, just like the moon and sun raise tides in our seas, in our oceans. जैसे कि समुंदर में लहरें पैदा होती हैं, कैसे पैदा होती हैं? सूरज की वजह से और चाँद की वजह से. लेकिन वो लहरें बहुत छोटी होती हैं, वो लहरें बहुत ज़्यादा वो मामूली होती हैं. लेकिन जो लहरें एक उस सितारे ने पैदा की होंगी उस सूरज की सतह पे, वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूत और बहुत ज़्यादा तबाहकुन होंगी. इतनी ज़्यादा दैट दे वुड हैव फॉर्म्ड a mountain, a huge mountain which we cannot even imagine. I think this much explanation is quite enough, and you can also see there is a translation and you can learn it from there. Now we will move towards the next paragraph. Okay girls, in the next paragraph we are given the whole process, that how all the planets came into being. What are planets? Planets are the names you must have heard, like the Earth, Mars, Pluto, Jupiter. These are the planets, the heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. Okay, so in this paragraph there is an explanation, there is a theory that how these planets might have come into being. Okay, so let's have a reading. As the cause of the disturbance came nearer and nearer, means the star. What is the cause of disturbance? The star. Because star has caused the disturbance. The mountain would rise higher and higher, and before the second star began to move away again, its tidal pull had come so powerful that this mountain was torn to pieces and threw off small parts of itself into space. Now he explains that as soon as the star came nearer the sun, that mountain which was caused by the same, it would have gone higher, it would have become more bigger, and then again when the star would have tried to take itself away from the sun, the mountain would have crushed into pieces. मतलब जो सितारा जिसने एक इंतशार पैदा किया सूरज की सतह पे और एक माउंटेन बना दी, जब उसने ये कोशिश की होगी कि वो सूरज से दूर हटे, तो फिर एक टाइडल पुल, एक ऐसी कशिश पैदा हुई होगी जिसकी वजह से, जिसके नतीजे में जो एक माउंटेन, जो एक बड़ा सा पहाड़ या चट्टान बन गई थी, वो टुकड़ों में तकसीम हो गई. एंड दोज पीसेस आर कॉल्ड प्लैनेट दीज डेज. बेसिकली वो जो पीसेस थे, वो जो टुकड़े थे माउंटेन के, वो आज की तारीख में हम उनको प्लैनेट्स बोलते हैं, और हमारी ज़मीन भी उन्हीं प्लैनेट्स में से एक है. These small pieces have been going round the sun ever since. They are the planets great and small, of which our earth is one. Same thing जो मैंने आपको बताई है, that those small pieces which came off the sun, they would have started revolving around the sun since then, and then we have been calling them planets, and our earth is also one of them. So girls and the boys, in these paragraphs we have learned about the solar system, about our planet. That in the end I have a question for all of you. It is kind of a test. It will tell me that how is your understanding of the lesson. So you have to find the answer of this question from today's lesson. That is, how was a mountain formed on the surface of the sun? You have to give the answer of this question, and then you can leave the answer in the comment section. And if you have any other question regarding lesson, any confusion, you can also ask me in the comment section. So that's all for today, and have a nice day. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned and keep waiting for my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon on my channel so that you don't miss any video.